Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable game mode for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Air for Lite. And basically we have a few options how to enable or disable it. We can use an application or we can use gestures. And let's get started by use the application. Open SOUNDPEATS application. And if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu as I have, this one. Now, you need to click at the equalizer icon at the left bottom, right here we have it, click on it. And here it is, this is a game mode. So, if it have empty background at this slider, it means that it's disabled. And to enable it, click on it. The same, if it have colorful background, it means that it's enabled, and to disable just click on it. But as I said previous, we can also use gestures, so you need to use your left earbud, and at the back side right here at the top we have SOUNDPEATS logo. So you need to this actually a touch area, and you need to press 3 times at this touch area. 1, 2, 3. And firstly, as you can see, I disable it, 1, 2, 3, and I just enable it. But this mod, with this mod you may experience connection instability, so I don't recommend it to use this mod all the time, just when you play games. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!